Hi. Today, let's clear some of the myths about therapy because some of them really stop people from getting the help they really deserve. Today, we have Miss Molly with us to talk about the same. Hi, Molly.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Good, good.
Yeah. So, the very first myth is therapy is for crazy people.
Total myth. Therapy is for anybody who wants to understand themselves better, who want to build resilience, who want to manage stress better. So, therapy is like gym. You don't go with a broken bone there.
Yeah.
You go there to better yourself.
Yes.
So, if you're feeling that there is some distress that you're experiencing, therapy is for you. The problem doesn't have to be big enough. If you are facing something, go speak to a therapist. It is not that difficult.
Okay. Why do we have to go to therapy when we can just talk to our friends? What's your take on this?
That's a good one. You definitely can talk to your friends. They provide you validation, support, they hear you. But therapy is a lot more than that. It is not just support seeking. Sometimes you have to introspect, you have to look at your patterns, you have to understand why are certain dynamics being repeated. So therapy is a evidence based process that helps you look deeper, not just seek support. While both are valuable, it's just that therapy also transforms you, which friendship or advice giving in friendship may not.
Okay. So, both are valuable.
Both are valuable but have different purpose. So what you can speak to your friend about, you may or may not speak to your therapist about that, and vice versa. Yeah.
Few people have this fear of being judged by a therapist. As a therapist, what's your take on this?
Yeah, it's very real. I hear it quite often that people are afraid of judgment. But therapy is not about judgment. There's a clause of non judgment and confidentiality. So, whatever you share with your therapist, until and unless there is an imminent risk to you or somebody associated with you, therapists and clients are bound by the clause of confidentiality. So, we don't share whatever you share with us. And as far as judgment is concerned, therapists don't see things from a moral lens. They see your behavior by placing it within the context. So we are trying to understand you. There is a curiosity there. There is no judgment. There is no right or wrong. No morality there. So yeah, the judgment and is not there in therapy.
Coming to the last myth, therapy and medication. Does therapy always mean medication?
No, not at all. Therapy and medicines are two different approaches to reach the same place. What therapist does is that they work on the cognitive restructuring, emotional processing, or developing coping skills. A psychiatrist, through medicines, will work on the biology of the illness, on the neurotransmitters. So sometimes therapy alone can do the task, sometimes it is with the help of medicines we can achieve the same thing. So it is for your psychiatrist and for your psychologist to work in collaboration at times, and there is no one size fits all approach.
Yeah.